Good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Claudine May Torres Sutunton, 24 years old. I am married with one child. I live in Bituan, Tolona North, Cotabato, and I am
Okay, yes. Are you married, right?
yes, Mom.
Okay, how many children you have?
One
Boy or girl?
girl,
How old?
5 years old.
Okay, so then, do you have any work experience in abroad?
No, Mom.
Okay, what about here in Philippines? Do you have any experience?
Yes, Mom. I have experience with two different employers with 2 years.
Okay, yes. So, meaning to say that you have got two employers in for 2 years and 2 years, right?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, can you tell me what is your duties in your first employer?
I am cleaning, I am a housemaid, I am ironing, I
Mhm.
am washing their clothes and cooking, cleaning their house and taking care with their child.
Okay, yes. So, how old the child?
3 years old and 5 years old.
Okay, so two child, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Your first employer.
Yes,
So, the
ma'am.
same time you're doing a household chores, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The second employer, how many members in that family?
4 years.
Four members.
4 members.
Okay, so how many children they have?
2 children.
And how old?
2 years old and 5 years old.
Oh, so yes, both employer there have a kids for two.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, are you capable to taking care of newborn or young children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then, can you tell me how the way you taking care of newborn or young children?
To taking care of the newborn baby, I will change their diaper, clothes, washing their clothes, and to eat and to
To preparing foods or milk, right?
yes, ma'am.
Or to feeding them. Yes, for example, if the baby is crying, so what will you do?
First is I will check the body temperature and check my diapers, and I will check is if ever full eat, and that's all, ma'am.
If the baby is not feeling well or had a fever, so what will you do?
First is I will call my employer and I call immediately their parents or my boss.
Okay, yes. Immediately inform to the parents that the baby is not feeling well, and of course you give a first aid or necessary rush to the hospital.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a song on nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go on.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, thank you very much about that. Okay, then, why you want to go to work in Hong Kong? Yeah? Why you want to go to work in Hong Kong?
I will work in Hong Kong to help my family and I to
Yes.
provide my daily needs my children.
Yes, to support. Yes, because we are a mother, we have to prioritize about the future of our children, especially when it goes to university.
Yes.
Okay, yes. If you luckily hired in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go on.
Good day, ma'am. Please choose me as a housemaid or caretaker. I will promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will treat your family as my own. Thank you and God bless.
Yes, and to promise that you finish your 2 years contract or more.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you love their children as your own child.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course, in Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So that if your employer requests not Saturday or Sunday, are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you a money back or overtime pay so you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot involve any bank finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? And to promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.